Everybody wants to use mobile technology. Everybody wants to push information on a real-time basis. But if it's not what reps want, or if it's not simple enough for reps to use, it's all wasted investments. As a sales rep starts planning the call, they go through their list of customers, they would put it in a GPS, and they will head on. For example, if you have a cancellation, now the natural thing to do would be to just look for other alternatives within the same route. But a better way would be to look for the most important customers within the same route, and a routing app would just do that. It will look at where you are, what is the remaining part of your route plan, and identify who are the best customers that you should be calling on based on your call goals or objectives. If I am just getting ready to talk to a customer, I'd like to see what I talked about in the past, what has actually happened from a overall customer sales or the market activity, as well as what are the key alerts that I need to be reminded of that I should be talking about the customer. Imagine you got an alert, the rep just got an alert that this physician has prescribed a new patient on your product, and this is a great way to thank the physician. The mobile technology is a game changer. For example, instead of sending them 25 different kinds of reports, you can just send them 5 or 6 key points that are really impactful for that call, for that particular event. Now let's imagine you continue it further and you are interacting with the physician. You have, instead of using your paper aid detail, you're using your electronic aid detail. The tablet-based detail will allow you to build a case study on the fly. Physicians may ask you a question, you can put the parameters and build a case study on the fly. They may also ask you for a certain piece of information that you can just click and send it out. So that will give you a little bit more interaction. Let's say you've ended the call, now you're heading out, you're waiting in the waiting room or for the next call, and you have to just capture that information, you have to complete your call recording, and there is a certain piece of information that you learned from the office or from the physician that you would like to share with your peers within your territory or your geographies, that you can use a social media app or a chatter type of app to really do that. So as you see these 4 or 5 things, there's a simple way to do it, which is a traditional way, and there is more effective way to do things, which gives you much more than what you currently do, and it really encompasses your overall experience to be much more effective and efficient.